Is anybody in this cohort or group who does not understand Hindi? Okay, then I'll be a bit more careful and not use Hindi words. You're an old student of 2017 batch. Oh my God, you went for post-graduation and want to restart. Talk about strategy for the old students, okay, working professionals. If you don't mind my asking, working professional Satyam, आप कहाँ पर employed हो? What nature of work? Can you tell me what nature of work are you in, Satyam? Again, what are the demands? How many hours you have to be in office? How many days a week? College student, आप कौन से year में हो? कौन से year में हो? You are an internee doctor. Oh my goodness, internee doctor और अभी COVID times है. I hope आप अपना ध्यान भी रख रहे हो. Okay, you please take care. Difficult times, आप पढ़ाई भी शुरू करना चाह रहे हो. चलो ठीक है, you'll manage. So the first point here is, I hope you know my name at least. If you do not know me personally, my name is Shabbir. Okay, Shabbir Ahmed Bashir. And I have been geography optional teacher for a fairly good amount of time. I started my teaching career in 2003, so that's close to approximately 18 years ho chuka hai. I'm teaching geography optional, and I have been associated with Wajiram and Ravi for my almost entire teaching career, barely a couple of months in other places. But starting March, I have started on my own. And now I am associated with Educami. It is not right to say on my own because honestly speaking, Educami is not a personal brand of mine. There are other promoters. Just as I was teaching for Wajiram and Ravi, now I will be teaching for Educami. Yes, Reshav Chari, you have some question to ask me. I can see you raising your hand. Okay, sure. Okay, that's very generous of you. ऐसा भी नहीं है, but ठीक है, fine. Thank you. Neelam Abhishek Chaudhary, you're raising your hand. UPSC examination, okay, is an aspirational discipline, ठीक है, is an aspirational career. क्योंकि IAS कोई भी बंदा IAS क्यों बनना चाहता है? IAS क्यों बनना चाहता है? Because honestly speaking, okay, many of you crave for that status. Many of you crave, okay, for that type of authority and power. IAS में आपको a sense of leadership का रोल मिलता है. Okay, there's a lot of prestige, respect related to being an IAS. So you essentially become a man, okay, a person who has immense authority, power, respect, and you are very influential. So aspirational quotient IAS में बहुत हाई है. बहुत बच्चे बनना चाहते हैं. What is the nature of this subject of geography and what do you expect in geography? Okay, geography as a subject. Now देखो, when geography was identified as a subject, geography is essentially geo plus geography. Okay, geo plus graphy. Graphy from graphen, which means study. So basically this is the study of earth. Okay, geography है क्या? It is study of earth. And when I say earth, a very important aspect of geography is that geography is study of earth in relationship with man. Okay, whatever man does in geography, okay, on earth, the activities of man सारा आ जाता है. So activities will imply, okay, how does man farm, his agriculture, the urban areas and the cities and the villages he lives in, man and his activities like industries and the factories that he operates, man and the social settings in which he lives. भाई हम कोई सोसाइटी के पास साथ रहते हैं, okay, so society वो भी आ जाता है. बिकॉज अब अर्थ कहते हैं, अर्थ इज सोसाइटी, अर्थ इज एग्रीकल्चर, अर्थ इज अर्बन एरियाज, अर्थ इज इंडस्ट्रीज, अर्थ इज ऑल्सो ऑल द नेचुरल एस्पेक्ट्स. मतलब अर्थ में, अर्थ का लैंड भी है, अर्थ का वाटर भी है, एंड ओशंस भी है, अर्थ का एटमॉस्फेयर भी है, एंड अर्थ के लाइफ फॉर्म्स भी हैं. Earth life forms, the biosphere. Okay, so geography is the study of Earth in relationship with man. ये man वाला एलिमेंट बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. जैसे आप फिजिक्स जब पढ़ते हो, आपका man एलिमेंट थोड़ी आता है उसमें. Okay, what man does, no. When you study, say, biology, you don't have the man elements. Okay, no other subject talks about this association in as much detail as geography does. Okay, so man, so basically geography में क्या क्या आ जाता है? Geography में आता है everything associated with man and his activities on earth. Geography, okay, is everything associated with man and his activities on earth. Geography, tetrahedron. Tetrahedron basically, okay, इसका base has 4 sides and they all have these triangular faces. Like a pyramid. It's called as the geography tetrahedron. ये tetrahedron का जो 4 corners हैं, the 4 corners of tetrahedron, there is a land component, there is a water component, there is a atmosphere component, there is life form and biosphere component, and there is this man component. So ये relationship, okay, of man with the 4 components and the relationship amongst them, this is the scope of geography. The examination is competitive, yes. At the same time, the examination requires lot of involvement and, okay, structured study. आप random पढ़ोगे, you can't manage. You need syllabus familiarity, you require syllabus mastery on some topics, not everything. You need to have advanced coverage. You must have revision. You need answer writing. Okay, and you also need to integrate, okay, current affairs based coverage. So your preparation should be in 3 stages. This is my suggestion. Okay, I repeat, this is not the rule, but as a geography teacher for good 17-18 years, you require this book by Go Cheng Leong, and you require NCERT old edition class 6 to class 12, new edition 11 and 12. This is the list. 6 to 9 is too early, okay, but we'll have it. I'll let you know the timings. But for working professionals, is this fine? Thanks for the session. Thanks for joining in. God bless all of you. Work hard. Okay, it'll be a pleasure to have you in our classes. I look forward to you. Okay, and we'll have a blast learning geography together. Working hard, struggling, sometimes yes, sometimes slowly, sometimes faster. We will enjoy, I'm sure. Okay, I hope I answered your questions. Thank you for your generous word show. Thank you so much.